Right, some are called by the every. And it's just for me. I'm a can to do Judah and you to me as a bro, and I Judah and say, you're queen, or be as a bro, that on by the cry to okay, cheaper book name, and then he's seen who nature, human dorsal, and then Madam Ababaka Hinisa, and say a book and Mrs. OMAR bin ABDULLAH, and can't tell Akro, and then some of tomorrow is him or Managana. I by election no mun some summer to Okodo onia oya high commission to Nigeria onia baba Jamal kejina bi na ampanyifa wotumo ka ho za ababe de gwan ne onia baba Jamal enwin wezinkoyim na so za na cheza wotumo ya de wo kirensem de wa chenza bi nyana nkoto so na oche ibi che moto ibi che oya kosio ni na wotumo chiche antre na asem na aba yehu papa chefu a ebi orutwem na oye na akono na otokol na lo bia le dibiza na bia ranto ana wonnu na wofie na kosua wanua na yimo kwadi aye ho nti ne ya ye mbre na nkabia na obakire dama so na aye tv bia kwa akachen ne mo obi a chebi na so onia baba jama high commission to Nigeria ana ne za kwa akachen kuti ne nizin apeti wanka atadu hina no kwa kiteza otum na rekodo na dama so ne gwemensin ma ha za ababe de gwa and the main secretary pay na awo gwemensin ma no George Sistata ekuboy police station foforo wo ya SEWIN dama so dwumedi pi nyane tum krod wo ke post note ni na abko ko twen fanyi ni akwa akohwe na ya nke na wo de akisa abofom no and sustainability obotum akodo obotum ejane na de na awie pe zana police station we see arampon na cheda nya oya onua justice na otum shasi bi na otum shasi oya the former mayor na sisa no so abatuodo na Ghana mensen ahoro yedum pempen so oda project bi wo ho a oya MC na the second odo otum wie aye bi wo ho another bi ho osana Abra police station no so shasi wo emre shebegwanyi oya first deputy speaker honorable Baturodo na otum shasi Barbara Bachode kekra the maso na oya raga no so Bachode kekra nti ahwe da midruma boyi na chere no so da mebrain no oya mensana krachifu enyan ekwe baasa na anwina hona bredo na ebien honyina hona bredo ansa na wubu ya ba police station nti edem pempensa or there mensen craching payfun with one second project a wutum wi and de bia o de bi bobo tiodo anhwe ne ye na fi wutum gye mu gua na abaye bo achi business dem pi nyana wogye mi etum ne ego no beko kiten sampi etum na aba abedegua dama so na sam kitenketa awaka atano do no so mbelbe ma e ba na fameze etum na aboa nti Prefer second of ya you oya ASORBA KOFI ASORBA class from Jenka.
Nka wasuka mu.
Apom yaze.
Baadi nyamina na dawulma. Odacha yi.
Yo.
Sine ne hu na challenge na de. Chere ewu afufu.
Afufu musoma ne yehu na.
Chere mu ke. O de da ne na. Te sa fia so ndu bebi a.
Muhu baby da ama na gas do.
Ja gas da do.
Muhu ama na gas do ma. Professor ama na zo do. Papa bi mo mi na abaka bi mo ko.
We ko kwanse juma. We ko kwanse juma. Mama ko kwanse juma de mama ni de do. Professor no de do. In fact, I this is also we show an ability. Dancing fit or tell motiviana some trouble.
Pop so focus on you and him.
Show.
I am with you.
I am with you. It's just my going to
you were DJ going to train with Information Maha. I am KINGSLEY and BUADU. Then ask me you come.
Madame, that's it.
Upon me,
Yamada.
Right, that's there another Echumanaba. Right. So how about the gua and then Mason South Payne or Gray Mason Maha. Aqua Copa, Jumetan can come police station. No, Jumedepi, who are automatic come. What's that doctor? Would it chimney danko chrome same mean? Nay, breppy, nyaka come. See, Aqua the men's a many here and quite dead me didn't hear at Tumna Kodo. And there, off a bridge no, or the mason, you should me just be always maybe. Senate, Zaw, send interest in you man at your better nature, and an interest woman, although to know we. So the pinyana, why that nature, when you home she visibility. The Yikite, Yaba, Yaba home come on. Into young uncle here, I am paying for that. okwa pro na za butu mkechi
de edena osihe oya adumara kwa Shebim wenyibi na ihe ndị ya adom benya bebia yen aposifo obatina obocho mekase mu no be mu kro school no wancham fanti eti a won fancham brofo de holu fam kakakra on fancham yenya bambo bia le wa ba Cape Coast North do ye wo kro abra na edukọ na wi Cape Coast North na wi ha no yenya kra yemfa ndase yemfa ma yen Metropolitan Assembly mbwa wazagwa Cape Coast North but omembo nsemo wanan Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly wo south to next wabo north yere wanase bebre ninya ayegwe na yose waza ye no wana aye yebese mpemfo na nananma wo Cape Coast North zawaza be onon chede yebechichi yenba ezegwa ha Nemo mama saying that anon de iwa behenti yen so yam bambo kase do mehen say yan wo sora yebenya bi no abata yin echi ye ba say de abambo efuna wo yemu no won hwe hu de ende yenya bambo bia so wo so ye da yen fo ho yen fa nche hwan ye do da sra hwan zawabe ye ba say ejmo fo wo ba ha de so wo ba edeni tisiazi oyefe there every remember no yen maintenance oyeden yabase wo maintain mehen na yenso yen bie oye krebohwe na be nya so yeto se yeba yehude za woya mehen no yezinenyi na yesu mi yen mo makasa yebebre kasa otutun onye de osabarma doctor Kisata osi Oma Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly Oma Numuneye Odonwasibebre
University or your community on its own. Lawyer, you hear security na banbo. Inti on behalf of CCTV, you better municipal and MP. Now when I was them as if we are busy here because in our minds, you know, Obama or enhance the safety of the community as well as the student experience. In Tieda we also pledge full cooperation in all the endeavors of the police station. Thank you.
Today marks a significant milestone in our collective effort to build a safer and more secure Cape Coast. It is with great honor that I join you here at SEWIN to officially commission this police station, a facility that stands as a symbol of our commitment to the safety and well-being of our people, especially the university community. Security plays a central role in community development. When residents feel safe, businesses thrive, schools function better, and families can go about their daily activities with peace of mind. Then we can say there is growth and development. This police station is therefore more than a burden. It is an investment in stability, protection, and community confidence. The construction and completion of this facility reflect the collaborative spirit between the Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly, the Ghana Police Service, and the people of Cape Coast North, represented by the Member of Parliament. I am grateful to all stakeholders who contributed in diverse ways, from planning and design to construction and supervision. Your dedication has made this day possible. To the officers who will be stationed here, we hand over this edifice with trust and expectation. We believe you will use it as a center of excellence in law enforcement, community policing, and rapid response. Let this facility enhance your work, strengthen your presence, and deepen your relationship with the residents of this community. To the people of living within this catchment area, especially the Technical University, this station belongs to you. I encourage you to support its operation, cooperate with the officers, and help maintain the facility. Security is a shared responsibility, and together we can build a peaceful environment where development can flourish. We are also commissioning mechanized boreholes at the Emisano, Efutu, and the Kakumodo chip compounds. These facilities are critical to healthcare delivery. Clean and reliable water is essential for emergency care, maternal health, sanitation, and the day-to-day work of our nurses and community health officers. These boreholes will significantly improve working conditions for our health staff and enhance the quality of healthcare for residents. This improvement in water access is not just a health investment, it is an investment in dignity, safety, and community well-being. As an assembly, we remain committed to delivering development, one project at a time, and today's commissioning is another clear demonstration of that pledge and the central government's commitment not to leave any uncompleted project to waste. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pleasure, I thank you all for coming to witness this memorable occasion. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Yes, sir. Namia Yadum Kekus North. There police stations in Pienpe, or UCC police station, and Abra police station. Namia Yadum, or SEWIN Krumhaso, Yenya Kroha. Mizida Anya Metem Bosoze, near the Bisuko, Efutu, and Clivo, now also Yenya Oil police station, or that area. Okay, I'm going to police stations in Kumunsi. Usani and Periazi, a baby Ababa to but some more ordinancy, or even one in the on code more offer. Now, or day, Obana, Obeshi, or to them. You both compare the year mound, a queen, no one back, no one better war. Name on the Obo young ban, oh, give you away. Now, and a moment go to two, my watch was on Aban, will do me two, Dama and Amono. Yes, in Shishu Gufum, then Yami Adama, you organize pickups. I has been a police phone, or Abra and ha, no one's would more patrol around. Now I'm security issues no so Wagufum. Into the mayor, Ebony have a commission fair near Zama saving for Mikadama and Coupon on Shay Yara, or may no dog, or Metema, or may Yansan in from Wa, Nagana, Uncle Name, and one I say.
Now, always through them. The ESSA, on the station was commissioned on Friday, July 2026. Deputy Commander. Hey, your commander, the Deputy Commander now on office. He's on dancing, on dancing.
Yo, yakwaba. Zoto asoba una ija jene chira besibri. Ya yakwese ne o.
Yo kamo medasi am there. Abaye adza wama maze madwene kisi asembedo wo abada unu fido na se oya adza abanfofo ne ba odo tuedo ono wama matwe madwene gina de mini oye na obobo so usane yehwe juma oye police station oyo no bo enesata ne jumezi another ne hihye no de bobade one project ka ho badam na no wankasa ho menyim nhwehwem kakra no wa che dem project no am da wa be court issue market ka ho police station na nechi pepepe market ka ho na nyim de asase no bo manso bi ma okupe mu police station okupe mu court na yenye nte so de asama no ne fa baby no ububua ana ne fa baby no we bi di ore abanum nti se obenda obe market ni da ano yabeda mpanyimfase womboa wode bo madam police station hotel mo ko in fact baby a wode police station abo mo kamo oye papa na apart from the student wo CCTU we nkofren ka tete ho no community nankasa so a ye wo mu no kamo ndeme pi na orokodo ndeme pi na orokodo police station na wa ba ne de no kwani omo masomdwe wa ba na ehwo na wulbe na kofi be krebe na no police for wo ba de wonye adwuma ye abade ntira nche eyufu na lan bonkus baby a utahwen nchenka no utahwen na onye kakomdo esuechi baby utahwen ohwo no nche onwor kra nti police for twitwala obese wondo meja de mende me na neutral blast nti baye 2 years 3 years later no the police for kwa wonye adwuma bia ye no no oboma hina nya akoma atanyem de be na afi ni sanya ye kwaye ntunya abu de manchanka ne ye no na obi alada wa dama na ahomaka no na tweka no ka mu onwie peye de wa akwadwa kabira ba na sanche egbe wa abo ato a ode dama de beche wa abo nda wa da oni yi gbetuo na adenche sa ade beche na wala wimpo munpo dada na ma ade beche na wa wimpo munpo on dada no it police station de no kwani oyaza MC no MP we twa no ma oye na mo yin sum de se oyasame no project nkote na sasame no we tu wana ma we boya ano ye bobo nsem da ma MP no onye MC na nkasa the one ma project abana obasene kwani ye no one mo wanya white elephant wensi wo no wentwem ho wentwem ankwamba na wada ka unu project we kate sword no commission no yeyi police station if wa chips compound boreholes we here we send the normal pipe no on shut down flow adi ka kumna na delimsi ayi na twimi nti on shut down flow papa nti mo here de hospital na clinic obinyensu de kire wutu oye borehole na borehole no so why na mechanized nti we sisi bia mafutu we sisi bia makakum do chips compound nti wo commission na wodi nya aka won kamo fi de oyadza oye na mom masem bi sakro de dabeda na police fo obabam masem
on fa police fan ma abre ogboye
kamo ekwa ye kra na nchewala wi video amina wonya yehuni ma okrodo video ya wi ihuna police imbe chachaw ihuna city guard ho ihuna bi kita pen and paper o chero CID ana community police fo ihundu ho kamo ugbe police station na police imbe alanyim na nhwehwem kakra himu binu ye o meta asere iye commission emum official hand over obaba na waba hand over with ama oye Ghana police service ntin yo so yare kan sesi ala aman na waye na ade na emum dot mama Ghana police service de onfa amawa onyika tebialem dot ama Ghana police service nti wori ya ahoboa nti kirema wode mayen wori ya ahoboa na wowi a wode safi sam no ho nkata sam no ho nkomo twetwe bia wo da hye Ghana police service won sere wanje iyi na abanan Cape Coast Metro or ye da Ghana police service da ma de sha wo ebobon komisa no electoral area na mo yinsu na mo tibia na kakomodo ankafo oba be sanase ana de obi yefim na wama abra kakomodo na hin yafa oye CCTV campus na yade dam area ni nyina no da ko da hwede yana ba mwansam obu ye peye da me ntika mo asemisa ne yese ne yigina wo bi o de debreda no ba hand over without my police usane wo gbe inu a che obi anyu o che de oye Ghana police service wona ahye na mo ko inside na hwe mo so counter no na hwe cells mo wayen ehwe commander office so for papa bi TV ekogbo prison for one hall ho ekogbo reception oh come on and prison on Trankan na question won toilet and bath papa bi a why am toilet and bath come ebe ne chole de che him pon kata police for say police for guy into one na prison ba one na in front of the battery here abe prison fugo abe it ekoma ni udampa wa yedwuma na okere abefo kwana yarfado yedrebo ya ho ban wo bambo mu no ori yedwuma nti yesere ye hobi de dabreda na police oboboma be yedwuma.
Right, that and another interest point tomorrow yokuhene yimi hinsa bakano amayati a switch 6 classroom blog no ano na mepede mu switch 6 classroom blog was mo switch bebe oni DHS be more sinsani sina wo yokuhene yi me di henyo hu ni
no kama mo fa no nchadu ya ne
mepede fanyin sini ehu nte pede yehwe yi wia sini hu wo yemfanyin na ametumi na was bebe oni DHS so come on 6 classroom blogs na muwenyi sumi de awda wo ma DHS fo sana or brapa sina yehwe police station nembo yi na himo birim police for ambo hoyi na wa ya aseme police station oni nefie nti yemo birim ani wasa foforo da ncha wancha ogbe ne kwal na yisi a wa ye ndemi ansana ma obono mti foforo no asa be bongwa wasa no atena ho wasa wa kwene maybe chuchu masoka sina yenkweni.
All right, so Oma me da was na minchia Costa it's afshafo ni etiefo ina so what's a catch kaka but ejmanu biano sena so be kan what I saw initially was SEWIN okay. Apart from the police station, there was other yes, yeah, exactly, which is quite beautiful. We share police station here, now we share say is it SEWIN? Now share the facilities a woman other imponi be and a no council no tiebabo MC ne impenifu in Aba so MP ni one can when a homo share say sa project and Aba. And then you can win abaso body near the amount because today community be here some of these things. And you can say obi fear futu obi fear chi no baba oba keep coast assembly being pussy one man before abakokwa oba befa police ni mpofi keep coast kwa na obegwan kwa na wegwan and a manner and carriage near ye hwehwe say security sama ye de hwe yan ahobambo ho sem ye hwe nim se bekoye no e man ye the next one I hear you futu. Your bomb pie say, Yame on dom a banging MC, ne share pim. Na plans be or will be a futu. Because you say futu swing and just say ye be a tabe money a queen. Na ye bought a man for whom buying war those enclave no and Menoya Jane. I was expecting, so apart from the fact that he bought my basso, or my idea, say a year and people a banger a in the S30 year no more, and that is what we talk about a governance in continuum a chaso a baby obercorner major project be a banger a started no a year we giving to a craby the dance one I say what by samba cohum beamuno ne a juma I will say what you womb na a juma baby sikasam shenkunja na idea system na there a modern Kotokwaba market Kotokwaba police station and Nasam na making Kulukora police station kwa ABDULLAH. Ondo.
Command office.
I have command office.
You need TV flash screen board. Here reception.
Charlie.
I know place one of friend counter. And baby a TV no board.
Yeah.
Na side on the light TV shine.
Yeah.
Also for the a identification parade.
Grounds.
What over na where you
George Nankasa may say that's a Nenusu Adi Muabokata. Nenusu
at the office.
Yes, I the phone office.
Yeah, I a police station Bem Kuhu one mabu. Yea, never one. And Koye Baba. Cracks be or come up. Now, person who there's more investigation which will be reported now. Silly no baby, I wear a block. Now, wear a from broom.
Now, you pay for
Marble.
When you pay for what do want something.
You're back on once a match. Anything you want. But we are Pine, you are but woman you said so. What I saw, I am a pet. And many Angie, especially, and not many Angie per se, but we felt that in Yamabu Honoma, MC, MP, Uber Commission project, and that is it. Me baby, I'm a community, baby, I'm a corner, Kophobia, Minomisia. And they were like, project who may be anti say toilet to say president, what the president needed to say president in the commission toilet. A police station MC why you were any somebody president in the picture Munim say president in Pomba you make people make you say people feel like the president only show you and just the one percent more your cheap compound to president but na need boss so na they no I think they should look at that one when I meet the PROs and whatever I will discuss this thing with them ability of the president so knew was say any man can say you may want any show also now na mudi needing action why poster Kuntam be president is coming to cover and the public and people are expecting one Mbappe now so na you inviting her politics and people don't know because being now mu use yala for attraction or for something ebia whatever people will be using it as president you invite to come by invite but any president probably never na mu invite the president we didn't do so on the commission boho on the commission facility near fair but it is at the level of MCA it is at the level of MP it is not even at the level of minister so minister bar around the be no opportunity na say na program na we dey na share na commission beautiful. But one for president, you need to solve a commission boho or the commission police station, nay, whatever. I have first Kotokraba the day. Kotokraba then they pay me, Marco, and I were here for friends. I saw by one outing, but where for friends.
Frankly speaking, no query or soon or a first Abo police station.
Exactly.
So you can imagine Abo police station or a first Kotokraba.
Yeah.
Let's see. Or soon or a fashionable police station. That is not as it.
Yes, it's I think that
in fact, echo minimum. Oh, Nachaba police station command me no personal threat and math.
Can you
but he
so what I'm saying is that my basso and talk say most of the time project be a bang be a ya wading a jahoko na near name is fufu be by different government ban over day and hokekane or see and over even come say and that is what yes and you say going forward you know continue my bambia ba we ye no ye and there meaning say one was one project baby what person one year no they are come na efe say na be ya unya backlash say oh what is efe so be aye no aba trust me sure say finishing idea no cramp George nenu so ade efo when my dey first or a young boy or a young guy honorable nenu so ade efe to hwe we dey say finishing touches na there one na there na ayefe nti ye bobo na ba so ne aka ni na wo ye ni na no so eye ne kwan so the people need it and that is the essence of the assembly and the MP and no to me say on the MP so mo collaborate especially both north and south. And a beautiful thing say wo MP ne do baby and most of the time we have realized that when a bang no say MP ne were different party in the way were different mobile say relationship no and shut down koye but what me say we are lucky to have government and MCA and the two parliamentarians they belong to one particular whatever party or whatever so they flow and nyama ekoye mawom. I think say bobo or mabaso na but the little advice I would give that some of these things it is at their level they should not put president in. No, this thing I saw it in about a week or two when the process came and I have people who were asking me places I've been to and the young kola they've been asking me say the young if he said the one issue and a baby and I'm but they see me like because of what I do we are in the region and blah 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 they think and I was like
mistake away in there. What the picture, what the president picture to do. Go such a plug no bona president needing. So when you saw back, or MP and MC. So you should not use. Now, Musu we know what pong I mean plans are. So until president picture needing come, none the picture of the no picture. The honor no more who's come over the day, and then on no more. Everybody knows. So since the MC president exactly. It is MC the man to do the influence of the government. They should not belittle the presidency. But the president will be the president. And like I said, they should not belittle the presidency. There are a Juma B, a Cassidy, president. Yeah, Neman, regional minister or hall, where Mufi said the thing is big enough for regional ministers on Koya and Amoya. Fine. Because this one is at your level, MC, MP, whatever. Mong, what they constituency no yede MC municipality na de ashamonsa or metropolitan yede ashamonsa into more right wa mamonsa 2 minutes am fenye occasionally president ba ana project kesibi na president ba na obeya ye new problem we president ba ekwa ye new problem but many people know say president on
young president I bet so saka young president young queen
and say yeah in as much as this is just on the side, this is a small aspect of what we are discussing. And that the project is beautiful and we applaud them that they should continue to do more because that is what a manful expected from them. Say one more year, a juma, one more year, nyama toilet, nita, nyama katenkete, and also and a manful pool. A manful be or war, a futu or be or war, those who couldn't quite for and say, baby, come on, one offense. Hey, me drive.
KOFI
Yandaba GBC daba Brabaze ane KOFI me daba Muhammad de here for no na ni da wo hwehwe ye nyaman kaka bia toilet facility bi kaka library bi kaka bibi kaka that's all they need. They don't need that so we are buying na so MC na so womo hu adwen wo tim na nyaman ketinkiti bisa no yema won and that is all what they need. They don't need nyaman kasa probably wo gwa wo hia ana nyaman kasa bia wo nkan na wo ye wo Jubilee House wo hia no it means a lot to them, and that is why assembly is there, that is why MP is there. So we applaud the collaboration. We expect and pray that they will collaborate more. No more day, one more Sanya marketing development in Kakanka Bia, ever call Nkru Kakanka ever many so baba, my hotel so baba. I almost when you say yes, what can man, yes, once one more two aba. That is what we are looking for. And Tiababo, my basso said, one more year in a month for any so. And
if you message in the okay, whether MP or MC, as a flyer, but flyers will post in so young who there. Publicity I want to work MC in office and okay I want to na PROs no to no yard into can we say the MC onyim hoshi
so I've seen it. What it is that I don't want us to dwell so much on this because I basically I can't want to maybe let's the positive side of it in yaka but ya can also who say yeah project bia the MC you to make anyam so yeah we any publicity team in any committee and woman I we one yeah me sure say MC will give an approval of it before. Sometimes it is a way where they want to give the project or the program some hype, some facelift for people to know. I am not in any way saying say the project no I'm not belittling the project but can I say it is within their range to do. And I am saying this because me and me raising this matter. I'm saying this because I know people that called me when they saw I was at a particular program somewhere, some joint. And Abanana, Namonso, and I'm saying, what can most say media the imposition? I looked at it and I listened to the argument and I said, okay, it's okay. Lawyers, coffee or baby, we discussed this, but I saw it about 2 weeks.
Because of the leadership.
Exactly. And the relationship I have with them, and they saw president, they saw, and people were like, Anana BUADU. Na monso na say na monso te say me yedwuma wa assembly. Nanti eyi su kakaso chip compound. Boho so president